Here are some tips for you, the homeowner, to maintain your air conditioning equipment during the summer months. One of the most helpful things you can do to keep your cooling equipment operating efficiently and performing at the highest level is keeping your outdoor coil clean. During operation, the outdoor equipment is constantly pulling air through the coil. With that air comes dust, grass clippings, and cottonwood. These could become lodged in the coil and restrict air from passing through it. Some side effects of a dirty coil is longer run times, performance goes down, and even worse, premature motor or compressor failure. This is why we rinse the coil at our spring checkup and recommend for it to be rinsed every month during the cooling season. Here are the steps to rinse your coil. Number 1, turn power off at breaker or thermostat. Number 2, apply water using your garden hose. With a downward aim, rinse dust and debris off of coil. When complete, restore power.